Hey everyone! Discover the tropical charm of Victoria, the vibrant capital of Seychelles, where lush mountains, turquoise waters, and colorful culture come together in one stunning destination. In this video, we're exploring 7 of the best places to visit in Victoria, from breathtaking beaches to fascinating cultural landmarks. From the relaxing shores of Beau Vallon Beach to the peaceful greenery of Seychelles National Botanical Gardens, each place reveals a different side of this island paradise. Get ready to experience crystal-clear beaches, tropical landscapes, and unique cultural sites that make Victoria one of the most beautiful destinations in the Indian Ocean. Let's explore the magic of Victoria, Seychelles. 7. Anse Major Beach. The Anse Major Beach is a hidden tropical paradise surrounded by untouched natural beauty. The beach is known for its soft white sand, crystal clear turquoise water, and dramatic granite boulders that frame the shoreline. Because it is only accessible by a scenic hiking trail or boat, the beach remains peaceful and less crowded, making it a perfect place to relax and enjoy the calm rhythm of nature. The journey to Anse Major Beach is just as beautiful as the destination itself. Visitors who take the Anse Major Trail are rewarded with breathtaking coastal views, lush greenery, and a refreshing sea breeze along the way. Once you arrive, the tranquil setting, gentle waves, and surrounding tropical landscape create an unforgettable scene that captures the pure beauty of Seychelles. 6. Eden Island. The Eden Island is one of the most modern and luxurious destinations in Seychelles. Built on reclaimed land, this stunning marina development blends elegant waterfront living with the natural beauty of the Indian Ocean. Surrounded by clear, turquoise waters and lined with palm trees, the island creates a beautiful setting where modern architecture meets tropical scenery. Eden Island is especially known for its picturesque marina filled with sleek yachts and sailboats gently floating on the calm water. Luxury villas and stylish apartments overlook the harbor, while restaurants, cafes, and boutiques add a lively yet relaxed atmosphere. The waterfront promenades offer peaceful walking paths where visitors can enjoy ocean views and refreshing sea breezes. As the sun sets, Eden Island becomes even more enchanting. The golden light reflects off the marina waters and illuminates the surrounding mountains of Mihu in the distance. With its combination of elegance, coastal charm, and scenic beauty, Eden Island offers a unique and unforgettable experience near Victoria. 5. Anse Royale Beach. The Anse Royale Beach is one of the most beautiful and peaceful coastal spots in Seychelles. The beach stretches along a wide bay with soft white sand, clear turquoise water, and gently swaying palm trees that create a classic tropical setting. The calm lagoon protected by coral reefs makes the water clear and inviting, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The natural scenery around Anse Royale adds to its charm. Lush green hills rise behind the shoreline, while colorful fishing boats often rest along the coast, giving the beach an authentic island atmosphere. The gentle sound of waves and the refreshing sea breeze make the area feel incredibly relaxing. Visitors can walk along the quiet shoreline, explore the shallow waters filled with marine life, or simply enjoy the peaceful beauty of the surrounding landscape. With its vibrant colors and tranquil atmosphere, Anse Royale Beach captures the pure and unspoiled beauty that makes Seychelles one of the world's most stunning island destinations. 4. Anse Intendance Beach. The Anse Intendance Beach is one of the most breathtaking natural beaches in Seychelles. The beach stretches along a wide bay with powdery white sand and vibrant turquoise water that contrasts beautifully with the lush green hills surrounding the coastline. Large granite boulders and swaying palm trees add to the dramatic scenery, creating a picture-perfect tropical landscape. The beauty of Anse Intendance lies in its wild and untouched atmosphere. The powerful waves rolling onto the shore give the beach a raw and energetic character, while the wide, open coastline offers incredible panoramic views of the Indian Ocean. With its natural scenery, fresh sea breeze, and peaceful surroundings, Anse Intendance Beach captures the untamed beauty that makes Seychelles such an extraordinary island destination. 3. Beau Vallon Beach. The Beau Vallon Beach is one of the most popular and beautiful beaches in Seychelles. The beach is known for its long stretch of soft white sand and calm, crystal-clear waters that gently meet the shoreline. Surrounded by lush green hills and swaying palm trees, the beach offers a perfect tropical setting where visitors can relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the island. Beau Vallon Beach is also loved for its lively yet relaxing atmosphere. The wide shoreline provides plenty of space for swimming, walking, and enjoying the refreshing sea breeze. The vibrant colors of the turquoise water, bright sky, and tropical greenery create a breathtaking coastal view. With its welcoming environment and stunning scenery, Beau Vallon Beach captures the true charm and beauty of Seychelles' island paradise. 2. Seychelles National Botanical Garden. The Seychelles National Botanical Gardens is a peaceful filled with vibrant tropical beauty. The gardens are home to a rich collection of exotic plants, towering palm trees, and colorful flowers that create a calm and refreshing environment. Walking through the shaded paths, visitors are surrounded by lush greenery and the soothing sounds of nature. One of the most charming highlights of the gardens is the presence of the famous giant Aldabra tortoises, which slowly roam their protected area and delight visitors of all ages. The gardens also showcase rare native plants and beautifully landscaped spaces that reflect the unique biodiversity of Seychelles. With its serene atmosphere and natural beauty, the Seychelles National Botanical Gardens offers a relaxing escape and a wonderful glimpse into the island's rich plant life. 1. Arul, Mihu, Navasakthi, Vinayagar. The Arul, Mihu, Navasakthi, Vinayagar Temple is one of the most colorful and unique landmarks in Seychelles. This beautiful Hindu temple stands out with its vibrant facade, decorated with intricate carvings and bright statues of Hindu deities. The detailed tower above the entrance is especially striking, filled with artistic figures and lively colors that create a stunning visual display. Beyond its architectural beauty, the temple offers a peaceful spiritual atmosphere. The soft scent of incense and the quiet sounds of prayer create a calm environment that invites visitors to pause and reflect. Surrounded by the lively streets of Victoria, the temple provides a fascinating glimpse into the cultural diversity and religious heritage of Seychelles, making it both a beautiful and meaningful place to visit. As we come to the end of our journey through 7 of the best places in Victoria, it's easy to see why this tropical capital is such a special destination. From the relaxing shores of Beau Vallon Beach to the lush greenery of Seychelles National Botanical Gardens and the colorful beauty of Arul, Mihu, Navasakthi, Vinayagar Temple, Victoria offers a perfect blend of nature, culture, and island charm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel adventures around the world. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of our amazing planet.